Wackadoodles, we're going to be using Zoom a lot, so here are some tips and tricks. If you start on the class website, the link to the information for the live session is always at the banner at the top. The example you're looking at is child development, but it works the same way in parenting and fashion. This will take you directly into the information in Google Classroom, so if you haven't logged in yet, it will ask you to. If you logged into Google Classroom first without going to the class website, then the information for the live session will be right at the top of the stream. Always read the directions first so you know what to expect in the meeting, and then click the Zoom link. When the new tab opens, click Open Zoom Meetings. You will be prompted to sign in, click the blue button, and then you will sign in with Google using your school email address, the one that ends in @psd202.org. And then you'll see a message like this that means that you're being held in the waiting room until the meeting starts. While you're waiting, you can test your computer audio, both your speakers and your microphone, to make sure everything's working before you get in. When you see this happening, it means that the meeting is opening. You will see me on my webcam, and you can just click the blue button if you've already tested your speaker and microphone. I'm putting a replacement in for me because I have 3 devices going right now on the same Zoom. So in this example, I'm already sharing my screen. You can see what I am looking on right now at my computer. When you move your mouse, you get a toolbar at the bottom. All the way at the left, you can unmute yourself. I do have the power to override that. Then right next to it, you can turn on your webcam, and you can turn it back off. I can also turn your camera off for you. In the middle of the toolbar, you can open up the chat. You can, of course, also close it. Up here, if you go to the middle box, it'll show you just the person who is speaking. If no one is, it'll show you. You can put it back the way it was, or you can hide all of the videos. I'm going to put it back the way it was. Now let's see what it looks like when the teacher is not sharing their screen. This is called speaker view, and that's when the person who is speaking takes up the biggest window. Or you can go into gallery view, where you can see everybody, and the person who is speaking has a highlight around their rectangle. One more thing about chat, if you open it and then click exit full screen, it pops the chat into the window. Then click the square so that you can see everything. You can always use the little drop-down menu over here to either close the chat or to make it pop out again. You can also always go back into full screen. And that's Zoom. When you are finished with the meeting, all you have to do is click leave. If the teacher is also leaving the meeting, you don't even have to do that because you'll get kicked out. So hopefully that will help you as we begin Zooming this semester.